Stop the car! Turn the car. Are you kidding me?
Kidding you what?
I have been on you licensed siren since Clyde.
Why are you pulling your gun out?
Because you have refused to stop.
I didn't
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Free choice.
On June 11th, 2022, a police officer initiated a traffic stop on a 2-3-year-old woman who refused to pull over, fleeing for an extended distance despite active lights and sirens. What followed raises serious questions about officer use of force, citizen compliance, and the legal cost of a single bad decision. Viewer advisory. This footage contains physical confrontation and use of force, presented for educational purposes. Viewer discretion is advised. Under Florida Statute Section 316.1935, any driver must yield immediately when a law enforcement vehicle activates its lights and siren. Failure to do so is not a traffic infraction. It is a criminal offense.
Stop the car! Charlie, still refusing to stop, but I'm stuck in traffic and waiting on a unit. Stop the car! Turn the car. Are you kidding me?
Kidding you what?
I have been on you licensed siren since Clyde.
Why are you pulling your gun out?
Because you have refused to stop.
I didn't
Turn the
refuse
car
to
off.
stop
Turn the car
anything.
off. 3 Charlie 66 Central. I'm out with it. Code 4. Give me your license.
I don't have my...
So you're telling me from ISB to here, you didn't see me with my license siren? Because it's all on camera, and you just refused to stop.
I didn't refuse to stop.
So then what have you been doing? Get off the phone, I'm talking to you.
Babe, there's a... Excuse me, do not reach
Get
inside
out of the car.
my car. Do not touch me.
I got one resisting.
Babe, there's
Get
a...
out of the
Stop
car.
pulling me. Stop. Please pulling on me.
You're going to get the case.
Please don't kill. Please don't
Get
kill
out of
me.
the car now.
I'm gonna...
Get out of the car.
Hey, he got...
Turn around.
I'm by Sunoco. He has my arm. He's yanking on me.
Please. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
Stop. Dang.
Stop resisting.
Babe, please help me. Babe, please.
And by your back or you're going to
Do not break my thumb or I will break your hand.
I'm on Nova Road by Sunoco.
Let
Please,
go of his
I'm not
thumb.
resisting, please.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything. I'm literally not doing nothing. I don't understand and I'm in handcuffs, please. And he's
Stop.
don't put your hands on me.
Stop.
You ass nigga. I hate this shit, bro. Thank you for recording because you see this man putting his hands on me. Yes, I'm on Nova Road by Sunoco. Put my phone down, please. Put my bag. Y'all are some assholes.
And
Y'all are assholes. Y'all are assholes. Y'all don't. Lord Jesus, please. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy as.
Are you going to calm down now?
I'm already calm. This man literally tried to yank me out of my car.
Because you failed to
It
stop.
doesn't matter. It does not
Well,
matter.
you're going to jail on felony charges.
I don't care. That's ridiculous. And why am I going to jail? I didn't do shit.
You failed to stop for a
I
traffic
didn't
stop.
fail to stop shit. I didn't even see him.
Okay, well.
This is crazy. Lord, this is crazy.
On cage here.
And you're going for jail for a
Okay,
battery?
stop. I'm not going to jail for battery.
You are. Hey,
I did nothing to you.
Hey, can you listen to me
put
for
your
2
hands
seconds?
on me.
ma'am.
This man literally just slammed me against my car,
Ma'am.
slammed me in my face, and y'all
Ma'am.
watching this shit.
Ma'am, can you listen to me for 1
Oh,
second?
Lord. Hey, Siri,
Hey.
please.
Can you listen to
call
me for
Daddy.
1 second?
I'm listening to y'all, bro. I've been listening to y'all. This man literally tried to yank me out of my car, bro. He literally yanked me out of my car.
Hey, that part's over.
Are y'all serious right now? Are y'all
What is
serious?
your, all right, what's your name? What is your
He
name?
yanked, thank you. He yanked me, thank you.
Pull your car up closer.
Thank you.
What is your
Call
name?
Daddy.
What is your name? Yes, ma'am.
I seen everything. I was at the light just now. He snatched her out the car.
Okay.
And he hit her.
Do you know why?
I don't know why I was at the light just now. I had to make a U-turn because we just come to get some crabs. It was my nephew's birthday.
Okay.
And I seen him. He tapped on her with some little stick. He boom, boom, boom on her window. I'm at the light right here. I seen everything. A boom, boom on her window. He snatched her out the car by her damn shirt. And he hit her. And then threw her to the car.
Hey, what is your name?
Bro, why am I under arrest?
Okay.
Why am I going
Are you
to...
gonna listen to me, please?
Thank you. Please tell him. Y'all. Y'all are some bitches.
So, you want me to take your dog and put him in the home?
Bro, that's not... listen.
Okay,
I
your
don't...
dog's
Listen.
inside, that's fine.
Y'all are bitches for no reason, and then you hung my phone up, bro? Are you for real right now? Are you serious right now? This shit is ridiculous. Like, y'all cannot be serious right now. Hey, Siri. Call Daddy. This is crazy, bruh. This is crazy. Can you please get my Apple Watch off the floor? Listen, can you please get my Apple Watch?
Get the keys off your neck.
Can you please get my Apple Watch?
I will if you step back.
Can you please get my Apple Watch?
Step back.
I want to know why I'm being detained and why I'm going to jail, bruh. Y'all got me
I'm not
up.
getting your watch now. Stop.
You, I will spit in your face, bitch ass. Get your hands off of me, bruh. Cause no, bruh, that crazy as. Can you please get my Apple Watch?
Go over there. I'll get your dog out of bed, okay?
Talking about battery? They're talking about battery? I didn't touch nobody, bruh. I didn't touch nobody. He tried to yank me on my car. He pulled a gun on me.
Hey, is that your dog?
He pulled a
He
gun
take
on
your
me.
dog.
Take the dog, bro.
Okay.
Listen, dear, calm down. Listen, I'm finna get you. This my girlfriend. She got anxiety.
I'm pissed. Fucking bitch. That's some bitches, bro. And he's squeezing my arm.
Well, just keep showing away. Spit in her face.
You. I'm not spitting in your face, you dumbass bitch. Shit, ridiculous, bruh. I didn't do shit. He talking about he pulled me way back there. Bitch, if your lights is on, I didn't see that shit. I wasn't looking at that shit. I'm paying attention to that ahead of me. What the f I'm gonna be looking behind me for, jackass? Bruh, this man asked me for my license and I'm reaching for my shit and he had a gun drawn on me. Y'all is ridiculous.
Okay.
Y'all suck. Bitch, don't y'all got murders to solve?
I'm gonna
Pussy ass bitches.
put you in a car.
You. Put me in a car. I don't give a f what you do. I'm
Okay.
already in cuffs, jackass.
We'll pick it up.
No.
We're gonna pick it
I
up.
wanna. Can you please get my Apple Watch off the ground? Get the f off of me, bro.
Hey, dear, I'm finna come get you out. Shut up, bro. Chill out.
If you don't stop,
Chill out, bro, before you get a felony over some dumb shit. Shut up.
Get off of me. I'll let her put me in there, but you, bitch ass, get off of me. You f squeezing my arm and shit on purpose, you dumbass bitch. You a bitch. Crack ass bitch.
Do you want him to take your Apple Watch too, or
Ma'am,
do you go with
hey, get my Apple Watch off the ground on the
get
other side of the car.
Stay over there.
Step back. I'll get it for him.
Just a minute.
Scoot back for me, okay?
Get my Apple Watch, please.
Scoot back.
Get all my stuff.
He's getting it. Do you want your phone?
No, my boyfriend got all my shit, bro.
Okay. Scoot back for me.
You want to put in your leg in real quick?
I want to know what I'm being arrested for.
You failed to stop
I didn't.
at a traffic
I
stop.
didn't fail to stop
You're asking
shit.
my question. You failed to stop.
Y'all
at a
are
traffic
lying
stop.
though. That's why. You
Okay.
saying I failed to stop. I didn't fail to stop shit.
All right, I'm answering your question for you, and you're arguing. So, which do you want? Do you want the argument? Because I'm not going to give it to you. But if you want me to answer your questions, I'll answer your questions.
I want to know why am I being arrested?
You're being charged with fleeing and eluding because you failed
I
to stop
didn't
for the
flee
traffic
and
stop.
lose shit.
Okay.
I didn't.
Scoot back in for me, please.
Put your foot in, please.
I need to talk to somebody, and it's not y'all, bro.
Can you
Okay,
put your foot in?
sit
We'll get
back.
someone for you to talk
And I
to.
also need to spit. So can you back up so they don't say that that's f***ing battery?
All right, scoot back for me.
Chill out. Hey, you got witnesses saying that you ain't do a damn thing. You know what I'm saying? What is the reason for them stopping her? You gotta have a reason for her.
I don't know why the officer was stopping
turn on your
her.
lights. You gotta, and I got a damn good
Okay,
look.
I don't know why he stopped her. All I know is that she didn't stop.
Crazy,
So that's all I
crazy.
can tell you right now because I didn't get
If
here
she
much
ain't, how she
later
gonna-
than.
but if she ain't see the people, how the hell she gonna stop something you didn't see?
Okay, you're asking questions based
I know,
on what
I
she's
know,
saying,
I
but
know.
you weren't in the car. So
I know.
we'll work it out. Is her ID in her wallet? Does she have a wallet that she gave you?
Shit, I don't know. It's the second time today. It's the second time one of my people done went down today. Wow. And this shit, and I'm talking about nothing. Literally nothing.
Hey, do not kick
I'm trying to get out of here. I
Okay.
have to pee.
All right, but do not
I
wreck
have
my
to
shit.
pee. Can I pee?
Give me just a
Can I
minute.
pee? I'm not talking to you. Shut the f up talking to me.
Okay.
Can I pee, sir?
Give me just a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right, but don't damage my stuff.
Okay.
I don't want to give you a charge.
Close my door
For-
back.
for ruining my
I was never
stuff.
talking to your bitch ass.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please don't ruin my stuff.
Okay.
You got,
Close
can
my
you
door back.
can you feel the air?
Can you tell him to close my door? He's
go
pissing me
ahead.
off. I'm not
I got
talking
it.
to him,
I
bro.
got it.
I'm talking to you, bro.
All right.
I'm not talking to him.
Can you feel the air conditioning?
Yes, I can.
All right.
Yeah, stop. Make
All right.
shit worse.
Give me just a minute, okay?
Trust me, everything in your favor. Trust me.
What's your name, dear?
I'm gonna get him out of here, bro.
All right. What's your what?
He didn't never pull his he pulled me and I stopped, bro. Like the hell.
He's been trying to get you to stop for a little bit, and you weren't stopping.
And when I saw him, I stopped right here.
You stopped in traffic.
I stopped right here.
Yeah, he came up.
I was trying to pull off to stop somewhere so I'm not in the middle of the highway. That's it. I swear.
Okay.
Like, come on, bro.
What's-
That's crazy to me.
What's your name, hon?
Get back to replace tag. The replace tag is showing
Huh?
a Caban
To me. This is so crazy. And then he had his gun drawn on me
Yes.
if I did something wrong.
Because you
I
were
didn't
not
do
stopping.
shit. But that doesn't justify him pulling his gun to shoot me because I didn't stop my car fast enough for him. That's crazy. I don't care about them searching my car. It's not shit in there. Nothing.
We're trying to get your ID. Find it.
Literally nothing in there. Nothing. He wouldn't even let me reach for my license because he tried to yank me. So he's not gonna get in trouble for yanking on me.
What was your name?
Diara. D-I-A-R-A. He's not gonna get in trouble for yanking me. He's not gonna get in trouble for yanking the out of me, bro.
I'm not dealing with that. I'm trying to get your name. Okay. All right. Give me just a minute there.
Ma'am,
What?
we're going to move you from this vehicle to this vehicle, okay? We just need you to be calm and cooperative.
I'm already f***ing calm, bro. Stop talking to me and get the f*** out my way. Because I've been told you I ain't want to talk to your ass.
Okay.
Got the f*** up.
All right.
Don't touch me. Don't do nothing.
Well,
I don't want him touching me. I don't want him touching me. I can feel this fat ass touching me.
I got you.
I'm not f***ing dumb.
Sorry.
And he's still touching me.
I got you. Step in. You can stalk through the window.
Hey, can I write his name? Can somebody write his name? What are you doing? My jewelry? Why?
They're gonna go with you.
Gonna go into the jail.
Okay. I'll write his phone number down for you. Okay.
Don't do it. Don't do
Do
it.
it back.
Just go ahead and get them. Appreciate it.
The officer approaches with firearm drawn. Under Graham versus Connor 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. The subject had just committed an active criminal fleeing offense. Courts recognize this elevates officer risk. The firearm presentation is legally defensible, though tactically, it is a significant early escalation. The subject states she does not have her license, a violation of Florida Statute Section 322.15, which requires all drivers to carry and present it upon demand. The officer establishes the pursuit spanned a significant distance, with lights and sirens active throughout. The officer orders the subject out of the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms 1977, officers may lawfully order a driver to exit during any traffic stop. With probable cause already established, this order was unambiguous. The subject's refusal authorized the officer to use reasonable force to effect the removal. The subject resists extraction, insisting she is not resisting. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, obstructing an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. Physical resistance during extraction can elevate this to a felony under Section 843.01. Note also, a single officer extraction without backup departs from established best practices and increases risk for both parties. The subject later threatens to spit on the officer. Under Florida Statute Section 784.079, spitting on a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duties constitutes felony battery. Whether carried out or not, the threat is legally significant. The subject claims she never saw the officer's lights. The law requires only that the driver knew or should have known an officer was attempting a stop. A sustained pursuit with active lights and sirens makes this threshold straightforward to establish. The subject was charged with multiple offenses, including fleeing from law enforcement. After pleading no contest, she was sentenced to 36 months of probation. The arresting officer receives a B-. The stop was legally justified, the orders were lawful, and composure was maintained throughout. However, drawing a firearm before the threat level was confirmed, and proceeding with a single officer extraction without backup are areas where better judgment was available. The subject receives a D. The decision to flee converted what may have been a minor traffic stop into a criminal charge, a use of force encounter, and a probationary sentence. Every right she had could have been contested in court. Instead, the decision to flee forfeited all of them. The lesson here is one of the most consistent in law. Comply first, contest later. Fleeing does not erase a stop. It transforms it into something far more serious. For officers, restraint in escalation is not weakness. It is tactics. Drawing a weapon early, extracting a loan, these are choices that shape everything that follows. And for any interaction where the original basis for the stop is unclear, transparency is not optional. It is the foundation of legitimacy. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching.